Are you tired of overpaying for electricity? Solenergi can help you save every month on your electricity bill while making the world a greener place. Here's how. Solenergi will design a fully customized solar PV system based on your property. We'll walk you through the whole process from design and permitting to professional installation. Electricity generated by the panels will provide energy for all your appliances, like your TV, refrigerator, air conditioning, and lighting. Any additional energy generated that you don't use will feed back into the electric grid, providing a credit on your electricity bill. Since the solar power costs less than the electricity from your utility, the savings are guaranteed. Call or click to learn more.